If you've been sending out the same resume to dozens of jobs and hearing nothing but silence, I want you to stop for a second. Because the problem probably isn't you, it's the system. You've been told to stuff your resume with keywords or use basic AI prompts for your bullet points. But here's the reality. If you're doing that today, you're not just being ignored. You're being actively filtered out. Did you know that 99% of Fortune 500 companies now use AI-integrated tracking systems? And about 21% of resumes are auto-rejected before a human even blinks. That's the AI washing filter at work. It's looking for generic, robotic text, and it's penalizing it. So what is the new algorithm actually looking for when it ranks you? Here's the hard truth you need to hear. Most people think AI is just a robot looking for keywords. It's actually a sophisticated gatekeeper measuring what we call professional probability. You aren't just competing with other humans anymore, you're competing with the AI's mathematical model of a perfect candidate. If your data doesn't match the job's logic, you simply don't exist in their system. This isn't a game of volume anymore, it's a game of precision. If you keep spraying and praying, you're just burning your reputation with recruiters who see you as a low match every single time you apply. You have to change how you play the game if you want to win in 2026. Modern AI doesn't search for words anymore. It searches for value through semantic alignment. Over 80% of top-tier platforms have replaced simple keyword matching with semantic search. They aren't just looking for the word Python or project management. They're looking for evidence of critical thinking and context. The interview-to-applicant ratio has collapsed to just 3%. That's 33 applicants for every one interview. Recruiters are now getting explainability reports from the AI. It literally tells them exactly why it ranked you high. It's looking for the logic behind what you did, not just a list of tools. This is why good enough isn't getting you the call anymore. You need to speak the language of impact. How do we fix this? We move from nouns to logic. Take a standard marketing bullet, responsible for social media, that tells the AI nothing. It's a noun-heavy task. Now try this instead. Engineered a multi-channel funnel that reduced customer acquisition cost by 22% using AI-driven audience segmentation. See the difference? We lead with the result, then the action, then the tool. For my engineers, don't just list Java or AWS. Say, refactored legacy API to reduce latency by 40% via Redis caching. This is the Causal Solution format. It proves you can solve specific business problems. When people make this shift, they see over 4 times higher callback rates by proving ROI instantly before they even enter the room. What if you don't have those perfect metrics? Or what if you're breaking into a brand new field? You don't need a specific title to pass the screen. You need evidence of critical thinking that an AI can justify to a human hiring manager. About 67% of recruiters use AI to cross-check if your skills are supported by your experience narrative. If you list strategic leadership in your summary, but your experience section just lists daily chores, the AI flags the inconsistency. But if your narrative is logic-driven, if you show the why and the how, the AI becomes your advocate. It sees the pattern of success even if the job titles don't match perfectly. It's about the logical thread of your career. Here's your 24-hour assignment. Open your resume right now. Find your most recent role. I want you to take the first bullet point and rewrite it using this formula. Measurable result, plus specific action, plus the logic or tool you used. Don't wait until you're ready to apply. Fix those top 3 bullets today. Candidates who use this impact logic see a 50% faster hiring velocity. Honestly, the algorithm isn't your enemy. It's just a tool that's finally looking for the real value you bring to the table. Go show it what you're capable of. What's the one bullet point you're going to change today? I'm genuinely curious to see how you frame your impact. Let's get to work.